So, I know it's been a while since I made a video, but to treat you guys right, top of all the streams and whatever I'm doing at the time, I don't know what I'm gonna do in the future, Loki. So, we have a keyboard unboxing video, for the Akko, um, ASA Dracula Castle keyboard. Um, so this is gonna be unboxing and a little bit of like a first impressions, just sounding, keyboard sounding test and all that stuff. Um, I think the retail price for this was $119. I think I purchased it on sale for $89. It is a Bluetooth and USB keyboard. As you can see here, it's not a 60% keyboard, but it's a little bit bigger with the arrow keys, the side buttons here, and the knob. It is a Dracula keyboard, like special keyboard with the little like Dracula S key. It looks like it's like the Transylvania enter key. So cool little designs to make it a little bit more special than a normal keyboard. Flipping it to the back, we have some instructions. This is actually kind of cool. I like that design. So if you have this keyboard, have another Akko keyboard, this is likely what the other buttons are. So it looks like the first function key right here is, I don't even know what that is. Looky. The second function key looks like it should open up your email app. The next one should be the search button, probably Windows search. The next one looks like it's page home. So like if you're on a website, you click that, it goes to the home page. Music looks like it's either starts music or doesn't. I don't really know. Opens the music app. Play, pause, video, music, whatever. Skip, video, music, whatever. Or sorry, rewind and then skip. And then here we have WSAD keys. It looks like that's what that means. The Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, Bluetooth 3. Then you have the 2.4G USB connection. Then we have direct USB connection. And then insert. So this is like all function keys, by the way. I don't think I said that. I don't know what CAL is. Volume, volume, volume. And then turn off the windows by clicking that. All right, let's get this keyboard opened up and see what's inside the package. Just to show you guys, it comes in like this little like paper topping thing, and then this is the actual box. There's nothing on the back of it and the sides of it. I don't think, yeah, there's nothing. So let's get that opened up right now. I gotta say the presentation's pretty cool. It has like this like top opening thing, and you have, it looks like a plastic on top. It says Akko, the brand name and the logo. Oh, sorry about that sniffle. I'm not feeling the best right now. Yeah, pretty cool. I like the design of the packaging. We have the keyboard up front. Let's go ahead and just take that out before we actually look at it. Let's look what else comes in the box. It looks like we have a user manual. Who cares about that? I think there should be the wires and everything else in here. Let me get this opened up, guys. It's kind of hard with the one-handed approach, but it will work. I'm putting, actually, never mind, I got it. We got it. Oh my gosh, we got it. So put you guys down for a second. Okay, we have a lot of stuff in here, Lucky. I'm gonna put you guys, wait, hold on. Let me get everything out of this first. All right. And bam, I gotta say, they give a lot of stuff. Let me get down right for you guys. So the first thing you can note that comes out of that little box is this additional keycaps. It looks like they're all Dracula styled themed. They can low-key go anywhere. So we have, looks like another enter key, they're really cool designs. You got a bat, another bat, I think. Oh, a Reaper. That's sick as hell. You know, I'm not Christian, but cross looks cool, I guess. A ghost, a cat, another Dracula, another cross. Okay, whatever. I guess Dracula is related to cross. I didn't know that. Okay, but spider. What is that? I don't know what that is. And we have a pumpkin. And we have a graveyard. What's it called? Casket. Another cross. Okay, they like their crosses. Spiders. Okay, spider web. Oh, look at that, guys. Another cross. Another graveyard. And a candle, I think. Okay, that's cool. So, you know, whatever the defaults are, you can always change it. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the switches they give you. They are silent. So this will be known. The other keyboard that I've been using, my daily driver, and you can find the video on it if you really want it. It's a more budget one, but it is a blue switch, which is much louder. This is gonna be quiet. It should have a nice clicky but silent sound. So a little bit different, a little bit higher end. Obviously, if you're looking for a budget keyboard, I highly recommend it. I got tired of the blues, so I recommend getting maybe the reds instead. But the Newman G610, it's on my YouTube channel. I'm not even plugging them. I'm not even related to them. I just think it's such a good keyboard if you're looking for a $50 maximum price point. Shameless plug for that. But again, this is not a cheaper keyboard per se. There are more expensive keyboards obviously out there, so it's not terrible, but you can obviously do cheaper, and I recommend that if you're looking for a budget one. But you're not here for that. You're here for the more expensive one. Looks like we have a keycap remover. You just pull it out. Sorry, that's the switch remover. This is the keycap remover. That's a little bit more. I can open these up for you guys real quick, actually. All right, sorry about that. So yeah, here's the Akko branded. You can barely see it. I don't know if I'm going to focus on it. Focus. You can see the Akko branded. I believe this is the switch remover. And this is the keycap remover, which is also Akko branded. Gotta give them respect, man. They know how to do their branding well. Here's a stabilizer, I believe. I don't know what these plastic pieces are. There's 4 of them. I believe they're stabilizers. I'm not a keyboard connoisseur, so I really don't know. But and last but not least, we have a Type C to Type A connector. It is quite long, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know the actual number of it, but it looks pretty big. It looks like it's at least 4 feet, maybe. But obviously you didn't come here for that. You came here for the keyboard. 7 minutes in. Let's see what Akko got. And this is a large ass keyboard, guys. Holy hell. It is thick. Let me just show you guys how thick it is. Holy hell, man. That is a thick ass keyboard. Whew. So on the back of it, I know it's backwards. I'm not gonna flip it over. We'll flip it over. I actually want to read what it says. Akko 5075B+, Akko Shenzhen Type Your Dream, since 2016, mechanical keyboard, akkogear.com, and you can see my serial number. I don't really care if you know that. Over in the bottom, you have a USB, Windows, and Mac. I don't know if the Bluetooth systems are different for the two, but that's cool though that it offers that. And over here we have ourselves the Type A port. It looks like it's snugged right in. I want to see how easy it is to get out. So you pull from the bottom of it, like there's a little gap here, and it just comes right out. Got the Akko geared, and then just step it back in, just push it back in, and it looks like it's fairly tugged in there. That's cool. Looks like we have some stands. Number 1, number 2, and then that should make your keyboard a little bit more high up rising. And then here's our USB-C charger. I don't know the battery life on this thing, honestly, like the battery size for the Bluetooth mode, but when it's up and over, it looks pretty solid because it's a rising keyboard. I can show you from the side. Like, see how it's going up? So we actually don't have any of the special keycaps on right now. I will probably put on the Dracula stuff because I do like them. But you're here for one reason only. Let's hear the sound test. 3, 2, 1. Dude, that's so clean. That sounds amazing. It's silent, but it has its sudden, the quiet click, and it feels great. It's pretty easy to click down. Like, I don't have to put that much pressure on it. The space key is obviously a little bit different than the other ones. It's a little bit more louder, but everything else, dude. It sound. I don't know if it's lubed right now or not. I couldn't tell you. I'm not like that. And we have a knob over here. So, first impressions, after coming from a blue, this is gonna be like so much better, dog. Listen, blues are cool, but they get so tiring and so annoying after like 3 months. I highly recommend getting a more quiet keyboard like this. The clicks sound fantastic. You have so much key options here. It looks clean. I like the gray. It's subtle. Obviously, we have the Dracula keycaps in there if you want to put it on there. But for 89 bucks, I don't know if I would say it's budget. It's definitely not budget, but it's definitely better pricing than some keyboards. And I think I'd have to test it out and use it more to actually tell you guys, yeah, I highly recommend this keyboard. Because right now I don't recommend it because haven't used it. But if this video gets a lot of views, I can do like a 1 month or 2 weeks, whatever, review, follow up, let you know my issues with it, if I have any issues with it, what's going on with it, is it good, whatever. So, thank you guys for watching. If you could leave a like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I will put a link to this keyboard in the description. If I forget, please remind me. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.